Guys, so today is a different slime video. I did the part one, so part two with slime. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna show you. It's like really stretchy, really pokey, really like soft. So this is how it looks. In the sun, it turns purple, but regular, it stays pink. And so it has like these little. Oh! You can't get that up.
Nala,
Yes.
Nala, come help me get these colors out here on this line so I can put this, try to get these back together.
Okay. Be right back.
Get back. Sit right there now. Now I'm gonna need your here.
To put the things on there. Okay. So this was the slime. This is the slime part two. Some of the slime got stuck right here, but I got it up. So this slime has green sparkles. I'm gonna show you a swirl. What this slime looks like in a swirl. No, I mean yes, I made this slime. So, but I had to let it sit out for a couple of days so it can look really gelish. So. Gelish. I'm going to show you what a bubble looks like. Bubble, 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 bubble. Okay, so this is a good angle. No, it's not much. I put it in this little grease container. I cleaned it out really good. And I put it in this grease container right here. It used to be edge control. Whatever. And then there I put the top.
Don't stand up on there and jump on this on these.
This is how it will. I'm gonna show you what a squirrel looks like. I'm gonna add a little bit like that much Vaseline to it. The Vaseline looks really stretchy. Added a little bit of Vaseline, as you can see. Now look at it, it's really stretched. Oh! What's so hard about it is like when you have it on the table, on a regular sign, you can just go like this and it will come up. But this one, it sticks. It's hard. You have to rub it.
Boy, you got your fan hanging down on you like britches.
Stop, Lex. So yeah, this is the part 2 of this slime video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and you will see more. You will see more paints, more videos, more vlogs. So yeah, make sure you do that. Make sure you like and subscribe. And like I said, you will see more pranks and vlogs.
You need it all up
You
there.
will probably start seeing challenges. There's a piece of hair in it. Maybe yeah, that was the video for today. So yes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.